Today we are going to see how the SCIKEY Talent Commerce platform modules of sourcing, shortlisting, and hiring workflow functions. These modules are tightly integrated and seamlessly move the candidate resumes from one module to another as they get action. After the demonstration of this module, you will learn the complete functioning of the platform. After logging the system as a hirer, we land on the dashboard. In previous videos, we have already seen how to create a job post and have also seen the various elements of the client dashboard. Now we will explore the menu item Manage Jobs that covers the entire hiring process for full-time or contract workforce. Under this selection, we can see all jobs posting, can edit them, and can action them as well. The three views of the jobs shown as draft jobs, active jobs, and inactive jobs. If we have to edit the job, we go to the job card and click the top right three vertical dot icons. It will pop up three buttons: Edit Job, Assign Job, and Last Action. Assign Job button will tag a job with a recruiter who has to action it, while Last Action is a log that provides insight on what last happened on the posted job. If we have to edit the job, we land on the 9 elements that we have filled earlier. Here, we can edit anything except the name of the company and save them again. The social links again come up for the job posting that we can reuse or ignore in case we have published them earlier before. Old social links will automatically show edited job details. Therefore, there is no need to worry if there are any changes done in the job at a later date. After editing or posting the new job, we land at Sourcing module. The Talent Pool or Sourcing tab shows the entire pool of matching resumes from every source possible from the platform and also provides option to power search and add more to this pool from various sources. The first screen of Sourcing module displays the number of matching resumes from various sources. The two segments in which we show the matching resumes are Skill Match and Skill plus Mind Match. The search by default happens on SCIKEY Crowdsourced Resume Bank, but it can also be changed to Company's Resume Vault if access to SCIKEY Crowdsource is not taken by the user company. The Skill Match is the matching of key skills with the resume of the candidates and is shown in a star rating. The Skill plus Mind Match tab refers to the resumes that have both skill and mindset match based on the candidate's psychometry data if that is available in the system. As default, system displays only 5, 4 or 3 star ratings as the match. If we plan to explore 2 or 1 star match as well, we can use the Power Match feature at the end of the page. This feature lists out all resumes and pick out from the complete list available in the system using AI-based algorithms. Power Match AI algorithm automatically creates a set of search string based on the posted job. We are free to create new search string if there is any need and search deeper than what job description provides. The next tab of Discover or Shortlisting module displays the source from where each resume has come. There are 3 methods of moving candidates from shortlisting stage to selection workflow stage. First, recruiters can manually move the resumes by looking at them and talking to the candidates. Secondly, by directly updating a resume by a recruiter. And third, by Power Connect system that can be seen as a flyer on the right top side of the list. Here, entire list of the source candidates will be connected through email, SMS, and robotic calling. The robotic calling is currently available only in select countries. This system, as the name suggests, can call hundreds of candidates simultaneously and takes their consent for being interviewed for the position. It also takes key information from them that reduces the effort to recruiters significantly. The next tab of Select Our selection workflow module displays the workflow stages and number of candidates in each workflow stage. The stages here are picked from the workflow we choose during the job posting. These workflows can be custom created with up to 99 levels, and there are several pre-created workflows that can be directly picked. In this demo, the workflow has only 4 defined stages that has been created for this job in SCIKEY. The first stage of the workflow starts with a bucket of shortlisted, where all resumes that have been screened by the recruiter are channelized. The selection workflow starts from here. Now let us see how this workflow works. After opening the shortlisted bucket, we see several candidate cards that have been shortlisted. Each card has several icons for various actions. The icons have multiple roles. We can see their resumes and resume. We can see the star rating of the candidate, the price of the resume to be paid to crowd if selected, candidate discussion history, candidate feedback comments from recruiters, and much more. The card itself, if clicked, takes you to a detailed resume with mind match data if it exists. On this new tab open, you can find the fitment level, mind match data, and summary of candidate information that is handy enough to take further action. From here, also, recruiter can send message to the candidate seeking their interest in the job and move the candidate to the next bucket. In all, the candidate card is highly power packed, and new icons keep adding up, giving more information. We will pick a candidate card from the shortlisted bucket and tick the top right box to pick it. Then click Move Candidate icon. A pop-up appears asking for comments and decision on candidate. Once moved to schedule level 1 interview, the bucket on next stage gets updated with a candidate card. The same action is repeated for every candidate at every level till closure. Based on who has been assigned the workflow stage responsibility, an email gets triggered for the action. It appears something like this with approved and reject buttons and link to the job and candidate data if the interview panel would like to refer them. A more detailed input screen appears where needed details can be filled and actioned. The next stage of the interview is mentioned below the form to ensure that the person inputting understands what their input will result in the process of selecting the candidate. The interview panel can also upload documents if needed right on the same input form. On this approval, the candidate card moves to the next stage, and that can be seen on the dashboard. The process is repeated by the assigned recruiters and interview panel till the time the final selection happens. During each action, message to candidate is also sent so that they are aware of the outcome of their candidature. This feature improves candidate engagement and helps send a positive message. Rest of the candidates in the queue can be dropped and they will get a system-generated message about the decision. With this, we have completed the sourcing, shortlisting, and hiring workflow of the SCIKEY Talent Commerce platform. Thank you for watching.